Good morning, YouTube. This is day 2 of my Vlogmas, and I'm about to get ready to wash my face and drop Ashton off at his auntie house. And first I'm gonna wash my face and hop in the shower. Drop Ashton off at his auntie with his auntie, and I'm heading out with my cousin and her kids to a Christmas market in Buckhead. I didn't want to take him because it's like 50 degrees outside, and I'm really not trying to risk him getting sick and they can't see at daycare while I'm working. His daddy's working. So what I'm going to do is wash my face, okay? Let me get this set up like I did yesterday. Oh! Come on, y'all. I'm going to get this camera together one day. All right. So y'all know how I say wash your hands first. Make sure they are all clean. Now I'm gonna wet my face. Be careful because these are strip lashes. I want them to lashes, at least in this weekend. And this is my Benny soap. Y'all remember on my other vlog I was saying how I do not use this rag in the shower. I use my African net. It's hanging up in there. I feel like it gives off a really, really good scrub. My rag is just for my face. To clean out the corner of my eyes, get out anything that's excess. And I'm going to also use witch hazel when I get out the shower. Nice and clean. Well, if I can get behind my ear a little bit too. In my ear. I'll make sure I ain't got like no eye boogers or anything. You know, just gross. Alright, y'all. That's how y'all go see me. I'm gonna be dressed and then we get ready to head out the door. Hey, y'all. It is 1 o'clock. I'm getting ready to drop Ashton off and then head to the Christmas market. Trying to be cute. Well, I'm still gonna have a coat on, y'all. But Fupa is fooping. And like trying to get like a good angle without it showing. Let's see. Something cute, light. Probably take some pictures on my phone or whatever. But like I said, getting ready to head to the Christmas market. See y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so I'm getting ready to head to the Christmas market. It's in Buckhead. I've never been, but I watched a few TikTok videos, which made me say I did not want to bring my 3 almost 4-year-old toddler with me because there's nothing for them to really do. It looks like it's just really just food and decorations, and you know, kids, they need to be entertained. So I just dropped him off with his auntie, and he's going to just chill out there for a couple hours. Aubrey is with my mom this weekend. She left yesterday. She was just trying to get a little break from her brother, so I didn't want to bother my mom for a couple of hours and knowing I gotta go there tomorrow to pick Aubrey up. So I'm about to head there. It says I have a 47-minute ride. It's supposed to lead me right to the parking deck, and it's supposed to be a short walk to the market. I guess it's called Kendall Market or something like that. I forgot. Somewhere in that nature. But I'm excited. I'm trying to go to a lot of different markets, which it probably won't be a lot. I do have one that I'm planning on going to on December the 15th. I forgot where it's at, but it's somewhere in Atlanta, and that's a Sunday. And I'm really kind of hoping it's warm. Like, it was really, really cold, but the sun is, oh God. All right. It's cold out here, but the sun is out, so it is helping. But I'm hoping when we get to the market, it's the same way, because, you know, sometimes the more and deeper you get into the city, it gets colder because of all the buildings. So we will see. I'm going to put this camera up while I'm driving. I don't want any distractions, and I want to be able to maneuver through traffic without my camera falling or anything like that. And I want to listen to my tunes. So, and the next time you will see this camera open, I will be at the Christmas market. All right, y'all. Hi, y'all. I just made it here and I parked, and I don't have no reception, like none whatsoever in this parking deck. So I can't even tell my cousin if I'm here yet. I mean, like that I'm here, and if she's here. I'm trying not to be standing outside in the cold longer than I have to. But on the plus side, y'all, so Benihana's is 7 minutes away. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably get, like, because I am very hungry. It's just at 3:05. I'm very hungry, so I plan on eating like something really, really light. Like, I saw they had like Pretzels and cheese dip, and then I probably would drink like hot chocolate. I know that's not no good combination, but I love a good soft pretzel. So I'm thinking about like eating that, or if they have something like, I don't know, nachos or something just really, really like movie theater type food. I'm gonna eat that and drink some hot chocolate and just, you know, record and kind of like enjoy the festivities, as, you know, getting into the Christmas spirit, because Christmas makes me happy. Whether I'm shopping or not, it just makes me happy. I love the colors, the lights, the decorations. It just makes me happy. So I'm gonna get out and go and enjoy this market, you know, record some things, and then after that, I'm gonna leave and get me some Benihana. It's like I said, it's 3, so I'm hoping she's almost here. She texted me about 2:05 and said she was leaving, so I don't think it should take her more than an hour. And I'm going to wait on her. And like I said, when we leave, hopefully we're not here more than 3 hours, because it is kind of cold. I'm gonna get my dinner, go pick up Ashton, head home, put him in the tub, play with him a little bit, put him in the bed, and I want to just eat my Benihanas and watch me a Christmas movie. There's this one on Lifetime with Romeo and China and McClain that came out today. So yeah, it came out today, or maybe it was yesterday, something like that. So I'm gonna watch that, and I'm just gonna be enjoying the rest of my little night. And I hope I don't go to sleep, y'all, but I feel cute, you know, hair done, lashes, whatever, they strip, but they cute. I'm just loving my hair, and just trying to, I kind of pulled out a little bit of the curly hair, but it's cool. This style was only supposed to last me 2 weeks anyway, so to be ready for our Christmas pictures. But all right, y'all, bye. This is the day before Ashton's birthday, so I may take him here. This would be nice.
Let's go here. Here we go. Let's go here. Toot, toot, toot. Solo te decían eso. Mira, aquí está Santa. Oh, mira. Yes.
It is crowded up in here.
Ja, dat weet ik. Die moet erin blijven. Dit is het. Wie krijg ik al? Hebben we ook nog? Opa, hebben we ook nog?
It's a Christmas market, so it's supposed to be small.
Man, I thought it was
Get the tree while I'm looking for a pretzel. Oh y'all, it is so crowded. So crowded. I just want a pretzel. So I'm happy I did not bring the toddler. It's too crowded. Some hot chocolate. Christmas tree is pretty. I said I want a pretzel and some hot chocolate. Excuse me. Peanuts, hot chocolate. Oh my god. We have a person. I saw somebody with a person. It looks too huge. Keep looking though. Y'all, so I had to get my phone out. It was so crowded up in here. And this pretzel is huge. I got a regular size pretzel with some cheese. Alright, y'all, so I'm back in the car. I'm about to get ready to pay for parking. I don't really have reception, so I can't order my food. But anyways, the market, let me just talk about the market really quickly. And as you can see, before I got in the car, it's very crowded, very limited on how I was able to record. It was really just eating like I knew. Very limited Christmas decorations. And we was thinking that it would be like the Hallmark channel. And how they go to those Christmas markets and like they're in like places like Utah. And you see the snow. And I know we won't have snow because we are in Georgia. But we all was expecting it to look like real Christmassy. And it did not give, but it's cool. I'm happy. I am happy that we went. I was supposed to take the kids to one on December the 15th. I want to do some more research on it just to see if it looks like the kids will enjoy it, because if it's just gonna be eating, I'm not dealing with that. I need them to be entertained or whatever. So I'm gonna look into that. Yeah, but for now, I am about to go pay for this parking and pull over somewhere. So I probably would just, I don't know, because I don't have reception. So I'm just going to go straight to Benihana's. It is a 7-minute ride. And then when I'm there, I'm going to order my food. And yeah, so I'm going to order my food. And I'm probably going to use that restroom because I do have to tinkle. I didn't even see bathrooms, and I'm just like, oh, so cold. My hands were like so cold, y'all. Like, oh my god, I can't believe I grabbed shades, but I didn't grab my hat. I didn't grab my scarf or my gloves. Like, how do you have all these accessories and I'm grabbing them? After I get my food, I'm going to show y'all my food, and I'm going to go ahead and get my son. Get my son and head home. So I'm hoping it's about to be 5 o'clock. Okay, let me see. It's about to be 5 o'clock. It's 4:56. That's Chucky on there. And I'm hoping to be at home by 6:30 because I gotta leave from Benihana, just go get him and drive back. Yeah. So I'm hoping I'm home by 6:30 or whatever. I did not be ending the vlog after that. Alright, I better walk in and get my food. Make sure I got the card information. Okay. So, got my Benihana's, y'all. Got my yum yum sauce. I have 2 of those. Those were like 80 cents each. And I just got chicken fried rice. It has vegetables in it. But when you do a to-go order, it be kind of chopped up really, really small in here. But it's in here. don't know, see, I can see it. It's in here. But the smell was good. I got my onions in here or whatever. I'm pleased. Like I said earlier, I'm about to go pick up Ashton, get him a bath, go home and eat. And I need to be actually editing my Thanksgiving post so I can post that tomorrow, which is December the 1st, for Vlogmas, starting off with that day. So I probably won't be watching the Christmas movie. I'm gonna try. I'm hoping, because I don't think my video for tomorrow is gonna be that long, so it shouldn't take me that long to edit the video. But if I have to watch the Christmas movie tomorrow, I will, because sometimes Aubrey do be wanting to watch the Christmas movies as well, and she's at my mom's house. But anyway, enough of that, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment down, give me ideas for more things to do for Vlogmas. I'm trying to do it like a day and ahead, a day or two in advance, so that way I can have time to edit the video. So that's the goal. I don't want to give up on Vlogmas, so some of it will be same day, and if it is same day, they won't be long vlogs because it takes a long time to edit an hour-long vlog, and I do still work. So anyway, guys, bye.